Picture a retail company named Trendy Threads, caught in the web of modern data chaos. Sales data locked inside on-premises servers. Customer behavior streaming non-stop from their website. Inventory numbers buried deep within SAP. Social media sentiment scattered across countless APIs. Each source stood alone, guarded by its own architecture, leaving the data team struggling to piece answers together with custom glue code and siloed data lakes. 70% of their working hours vanished into endless infrastructure management, translating to missed opportunities and slow solutions. Now, imagine the tide turning. 3 months after migrating to Microsoft Fabric Lakehouse, Trendy Threads' fractured landscape transformed into a unified, modern platform. All their data, sales, web traffic, inventory, and sentiment now lives in one central lakehouse. Data ingestion that once crawled for hours now finishes in minutes, unlocking real-time business decisions and rapid reactions to customer trends. Business users are liberated. Instead of waiting for IT write-ups or manual refreshes, they query the data directly with T-SQL. Power BI dashboards spring to life automatically, always up to date with the latest intelligence. This seamless flow means no more configuring endless connections, debating the merits of Spark over SQL, or managing separate security models for each tool. The data team sheds the burden of infrastructure, focusing instead on strategic analytics and innovation. The result? Business agility soars. Trendy Threads executives gain timely insights and act with clarity. Productivity rises. Frustrations fade. The friction between sources and tools simply melts away. This isn't just about technology. It's about changing the pace and possibility of your entire business. Fabric Lakehouse isn't just a solution, it's a transformation. For every data leader grappling with complexity, it's proof that consolidation, speed, and empowerment are not distant goals. They're within reach. When the right platform removes the barriers, your data works for you. And that changes everything.